Hi, all of my gorgeous people. It's Gigi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and I appreciate you for coming back. If you're new, welcome to the gorgeous gang. In today's video, I'll be showing you a detailed yet quick and efficient way to lay and slay those baby hairs. I get questions on how I tame mine and my daughter's edges all the time, so this is how. I hope you guys appreciate me putting this video into real time. What you see me applying is extra hold shining jam. That's going to help me hold those edges into place today. So what you'll see me doing is first brushing or combing the product down on those baby hairs, and then I'm going to comb down again, hold those edges, and pull back. Brush down, hold, and pull back. If this technique seems easy to you and you see yourself trying this on you or someone else, I would appreciate it if you smash that like button. Again, pull down, hold on those edges, and pull back. If you've made it this far in a video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Go ahead and leave a comment if you would like the chance to be shouted out in one of my videos. And there you have it, boys and girls. My technique for laying and slaying baby hairs. Today's shout out goes to Shaquita Marshall. Thank you so much for joining the gorgeous gang.